What's good, guys? Back with another video. Boy, do I got a special one for you guys tonight. We're at this car meet right now that's gonna turn into a drive, so there's about at least over 100 cars with us. So we might have to get one of those just because of that sound. Got another brother on the side of us.
Single turbo?
Yep.
That's sick.
Thanks, bro. My boy got all the burbles. With the boys. Oh shit, there's a boy up there. Gotta make the light. Gotta make the light. Everyone's smashing off. Oh, Ferrari 599. Damn. I'm hearing all the cars. Damn. Sheesh. Yeah, we came down the right street. We are shutting down Rodeo. Look at this lineup right here. We have a C8. Shit is nice. We got a GTR, another C8, another GTR. We out here getting this content. Hey, what's good? What's good?
Hey, how's your night going, boss?
It's good, bro.
Chilling.
You guys going to Malibu?
Oh, yeah, we're doing the whole night now.
Gotta do the whole thing, huh?
You going?
Yep. Yep, it's good. What you got done to that? We shut Rodeo down. The boys are posted up. The boys wasn't liking it. Got the full lineup right here. I'm not gonna say full. We got first leg. Let me see if my brothers let me in. Guys, they're blocking off every street. Ever since we got down here, they're blocking off every street we try to go down. Yeah, they're not happy with us. Lambo. Got a 400. And we lost the pack, but we're catching back up. We're going to the final location right now. Woo! Oh! Fat potholes. Moving on these back roads right here. Sheesh. Damn. All right, we're getting close. Close to the final meetup spot. I was hoping for more action on this drive, guys, but we didn't get that tonight. But we do got a Mustang on the side of us. That smells like E85. So there's a Hellcat right here. That Hellcat's definitely running some E85 up in that thing. I smell that thing. It's potent. We met up to the last location. There's hella people here. Hella people here. Just gotta find some parking. Guys, we just made it to our final location. We got a Ferrari right here. Oh, 458 BBS's. That shit's hella nice. Damn, the boy is moving, and there's a boy right there too. We have a 335 right here. Shit looking clean. E30. Got the lineup over here. What is this? M5 CS? Not bad. That boy's gonna get somebody. Oh, turn the lights on. Yeah, he had to turn the lights on. He said, hey. What is this? E90 M3? Sheesh. 5.0 Mustang. Got a couple Hellcats right here. Not bad. Was cruising with this boy right here. He's pretty quick. I don't know if you guys seen these new Mustangs. These, what is it, RTRs? Honestly, I like the color on this thing too. This thing's nice, but I was cruising with him and a few other cars, but honestly, everybody got split up, so I wasn't able to show you guys all these cars, you know, smashing and doing, you know, extracurriculars, but yeah, freaking M3.
You ain't bringing no Tesla over here.
Tesla? We definitely have a few cars out. So we have a 400Z, two 400Zs, both Nismos. We got a Lambo. Woo-wee. Look at this thing. This thing's insane. What y'all think about the Lambo? Gallardo. Pretty decent turnout though. The boy, I don't think that boy left. What else we got over here? Oh, got a CSL M4. Not bad. Look at those taillights, damn. We got a 340. That Lamb. That Ferrari though. The Ferrari's calling my name. Got a C63S. Look at that. Damn, that Ferrari looks hard. Oh, got the boy. They ain't playing out here. Sheriff. Look at that BMW though with the yellow daytime runnings. DRLs looking clean. E30. E92, 335. Sheesh. Boys came out and shine. Hey, what? Damn, not the Lambo. Lambo trying to back up. He said, don't hit the nigga. Oh, shit. Oh, he didn't. Damn, he didn't see that freaking. Boy, he just knocked off his whole shit. Sheesh. M4 CS. Oh no! Shit! That boy gone. Well, now we can do some fun shit. Now now that he left. I know, honestly, huh? Damn. Ferrari. Shit. Damn. Damn, M4. What you got, boy? I'm trying to see some action. Woo. Oh. Well, obviously he didn't get the ticket. The other boy got the ticket. Respect. Oh my gosh. This is insane.